Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Here is your English teacher, Ma'am Bushra. Hope you all will be in good health. Let's start our today's class. So just open your Oxford Progressive English. Open page number 24. Page number 24. Our topic is Candi Perahera. Candi Perahera is a traditional or religious celebration, and it is given a very great importance in the Sri Lanka. Okay, it is a celebration. Candi Perahera is a celebration and it is of great importance and antiquity in Sri Lanka. Okay, so let's start from our very first paragraph, paragraph 1. Sri Jalada Meligawa is the temple in Kandy, Sri Lanka. Sri Jalada Meligawa, what is it? It is a temple where in Kandy, Sri Lanka. It is a temple. Let me show you the picture. This is Sri Jalada and this is a temple by name Sri Jalada Meligawa. And where it is situated? It is situated in Kandy city of Sri Lanka. Okay. So, Sri Jalada Meligawa is the temple in Kandy, Sri Lanka, which houses the Jalada or sacred tooth relic of the Buddha himself. In this Sri Jalada Meligawa, there is a Jalada, okay, and we also call that sacred tooth. Okay, we can call it Jalada or we can call it sacred tooth, relic of the Buddha himself. Inside that temple is a Jalada. Let me show you the picture. This is the Jalada. Okay, this is the Jalada and we can also call it sacred tooth. So inside that temple is this Jalada or you can call it a sacred tooth, and this is of the Buddha himself. For Buddhists all over the world, it is their most precious relic. In the whole world, the Buddhists consider this as their precious relic. Now what is the meaning of relic? Relic is a person or thing that has survived from an ancient and earlier time. Anything or any person that has survived from a earlier time, we call it a relic. Okay, this can be the body of the deceased person or this can be anything, any precious thing. So the Buddhists consider this Jalada as their precious relic. The sacred tooth relic has been in Sri Lanka since ancient times. Okay, it is there since ancient times and housed in the Jalada Meligawa or temple of the tooth for over 400 years. How many times? 400 years has been passed and this tooth relic is there in Jalada Meligawa temple. Okay, it is in that temple from more than 400 years. So that's why it is considered as a very precious relic for the Buddhist. Okay, now come to the second paragraph. The second paragraph says, the Candi Perahera is a traditional religious celebration of great importance and antiquity. Candi Perahera is the name of a tradition. Okay, and it is of great importance for the Buddhist. Let me show you the picture that how they celebrate this tradition. You can see in the picture this celebration is called Candi Perahera. You can see there are elephants and the elephants are decorated. Okay, and the people, they are beating the drums. So this is the tradition by name Candi Perahera, and this is how the Buddhists celebrate it. Okay, they decorate the elephants and they beat the drums. So Candi Perahera is of great importance for the Buddhists. Traditionally, the king was the guardian of this sacred relic, and according to the ancient custom of Rajakarya, he gave land and holy shrines to the people. Who is the guardian of this relic? The king. Okay, the king of that area, he is the guardian, and according to the ancient custom of Rajakarya. Now, what is the custom of Rajakarya? It is a traditional system of land tenure, okay, in which land is granted in exchange for services rendered. Land is granted in exchange of services. One rendered the services and the king, he offers him the land. So, to the ancient custom of Rajakarya, he gave land and holy shrines to the people. The gift of land was bound to specific duties. One has to render some duties, and after that they will be given with the land. One of these was the dancing. Okay, dancing, drumming and torch bearing of the Perahera. As I have shown you in that picture, some of the people, they were beating the drum, someone was holding the torch, the lamp. So one has to render these services for Perahera, and after that the king gave them the land. Okay, what is torch bearing? Torch bearing is when someone carries a torch at the head of a group of people. Okay. Another duty was supplying flour for their daily pujas or religious rites. Another duty was supplying flowers, because for puja or for religious rites they use flowers. So this was also a duty, in exchange of which the land was offered. And another was cultivating paddy fields for the daily offering of rice at the holy shrines. Another duty was cultivating paddy fields. What are paddy fields? What are paddy fields? Paddy fields. Let me show you the picture of paddy fields. These are paddy fields. Okay. So one of the duty was cultivating these paddy fields. The Great Kandi Perahera is an annual celebration. It is an annual, okay, it is celebrated annually, which many pilgrim families travel from the surrounding rural areas to see. And many pilgrim families, pilgrim means travelers, okay, who used to travel. So those families travel from surrounding areas, rural areas, to see this celebration of Kandi Perahera. Nowadays, tourists from all over the world also come to see it. Now, the tourists from all over the world, they also visit Kandi, Sri Lanka, to see this tradition. Each summer, the celebration begins at the full moon. In the months of summer, this celebration begins when the moon is full, okay, at a time prescribed auspicious by astrologers. The time is prescribed by the astrologers. Who are astrologers? Astrologers are those who uses astrology to try to tell you things about your character and your future. Okay, in Urdu we call it Najumi. Okay, they tell us about our future. So when the astrologers prescribe a perfect time, a suitable time, a favorable time, so in that time this celebration occurs and continues every evening for 11 days. This celebration continues for 11 days every evening. Okay, so this was about Kandi Perahera. Our topic is not complete yet. We only have read the first 2 paragraphs. We will continue this lesson or this topic in our next class. This up till here it is enough for today. Take care of yourself. Read the passage once again and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.